Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to new video historical. So, where am I?
Yeah,
where
right
we are?
now,
Can
right
you
now
guess?
we have come another place that is part of Santoshpur. So
Part of Santoshpur.
we have come here
situated-
for visiting purpose. So right now we will make lots of videos, and I think you will, who are watching our videos, you will enjoy. And you didn't watch that types of place.
You may mention
Yeah.
actually
This is
the
called,
place.
Yeah, this is
where
called,
is,
called Tea Garden.
exactly
We have
situated.
come here. Yeah, exactly situated our village beside.
Yeah.
Okay, you can say it's part of Santoshpur.
Part of Santoshpur,
Yeah.
right?
Santoshpur
we
has
have to give signs
Santoshpur has
because
lots
car is
of
coming.
beautiful places. So
Right.
among them, this is one.
Do you know? Actually, we are lucky
Yeah,
because
yeah.
we got this type of place.
Yes,
But
definitely.
when I stay Dhaka city, some of
Yeah.
people they just told me, brother, you are from
you
Sylhet. Oh my God.
You should show the natural beauties.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, this is called that's
That's called tea garden.
yeah. Tea garden. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Tea
called
garden.
Tea garden. So we are
The
so
exact
lucky
name is
because
Jagadishpur Tea Garden.
Tea garden.
It's beside our Santoshpur, so it's
Right.
you can.
But
say,
is some of some people they called Jagadishpur Tea
Yeah,
Garden,
yeah.
right?
but it's totally it's our own places.
On places,
Because-
right?
Sylhet is famous for tea
And
garden.
some of people
Yeah.
just told me that have you ever visited Tea Garden? Oh my God, I'm just afraid at that
Yeah.
time. I told them, okay, you may visit my place, you may visit my home, and after that you can understand. You will understand that
Yeah, we may do this
where
side.
am I living?
So this
Yeah, we
side,
know
this side,
this
for
Yeah.
division just
I can.
different for tea leaf.
Okay, wait a
So
minute.
that's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Division.
So if you want to visit Santoshpur,
Oh my
you
God,
will you will be able to figure out the types of place like tea garden and different types of places.
Over
like,
there, one
yeah.
road. you can go.
Professional places are available. Santoshpur famous for his quality. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
So that's why. So among them it is one. Okay. So many people they are coming, and right now this is amazing weather. We have come. In
We
the
have
afternoon.
lots of things. We got lots of things.
Yeah.
Like
but we,
Bhumi. What is
yeah,
the meaning of Bhumi office? Do you know?
Yeah.
Post-
Land,
or land,
office.
land
Okay,
office.
so
yeah.
we have come here. So we didn't come before. We have come more than 5 or 3 times. Am I right? So, but
Yeah.
we didn't knowing English, so that's why we didn't feel comfortable to show you. So right now, you can say we are blogger. So we like to explain more about our natural
About
beauties.
natural beauty.
So that's why we are.
And as well
trying.
as at the very moment we are practicing our English
yeah, yeah. So from
for our betterment.
as we have learned English language a little bit, so from now we will try to visit lots of places like that types of place, and it's our first blog videos that we are
We're gonna go over
making
there.
together. Okay, so I hope guys you will enjoy because this camera is totally professional camera. There is no doubt.
Over
So,
there also.
that place you
Yeah.
may show. Yeah. Wow, amazing weather. It's totally incredible.
Oh my goodness. The sun is decreasing.
dropping. The
Not
sun-
rising.
Yeah. So it's called Tea Garden.
Tea garden.
You may come because we will appreciate you by
Okay, right now we
giving
have
you
got,
something. Okay.
the
So
small
there is
tea.
no people because it's not today's day is not that much special for the people
Yeah.
who would like to visit. But today is Friday.
Today is
It's
a little
really-
bit cool
Yeah.
because
It's really-
maybe people they are sleeping.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. In the winter season, I'm also people are just love for sleep.
Yeah,
the
actually
season.
we have after performing Jumma Salah, so many people after eating they didn't time to sleep. So that's why maybe they are still sleeping. But we had a target that we will make lots of videos. So that's why we have come here. And today we will visit as much as possible, and we will show you the natural beauties of Santoshpur Park. That is called Tea Garden.
Yeah.
Okay, so Liman, would you like to say something?
Yeah, tea garden is amazing.
Can I give him
You know,
fight?
Right now,
Okay,
it is
Liman, you
before-
should
yeah.
say something
Yeah.
about this place.
Right now we have no motorcycle, but I think as we have learned English, so definitely it's possible within very short time.
Guys,
we will-
you have to support
Yeah.
because of so that we can by
Yes, yes.
motorcycle.
Then we will
for
visit.
visit somewhere for making video.
Yes, yes. Now, Liman, you can start. What would you like to say?
Oh my god, the tea garden is amazing. It's my first time that is I'm coming by this road. I have visited so many places before coming this place. There is about, it's located over there behind me, and
Okay.
it was also good, but this place is amazing because I can see there are-
Outstanding.
yeah, it's a tremendous
Outstanding.
place. And
Incredible.
you can see the small tea garden, small tree.
Yeah.
They are available, and other side is
There are different
Yeah.
types of numerous types
Yeah,
of
right now you can
place.
show.
Trees are available.
yeah, you can show the other side. It will be better so that everyone can understand what is the beauty.
Yeah,
of
it is called what gas?
Yeah, you can show the flower. Yeah, it's my tree. You can show the tea garden flower,
Wow, outstanding.
tea flower.
Oh
What is
yes,
this?
of
You
course.
can
You shouldn't
show-
catch.
Yeah, it's a tea flower.
Wow.
Have you seen?
Have you
Before
seen
day by
ever?
day, Limon is.
Have you seen ever
writing.
this flowers? Oh
it's
my
a
god,
tea
it's
flower.
totally tremendous.
Yeah, just show the natural beauties
Yeah.
around. Oh my goodness. So I'm really excited to stay here for 1 month or 1 week at least for visiting every part of.
Yeah, I think we have to create one camp in there
Wow.
for enjoying this moment.
Okay,
Right?
no problem.
The way
When we will come
you are-
by preparing with lots
I
of things,
man, I wanna
we will-
just content creator, me
Yeah,
for
yeah.
this reason.
You can back camera.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we can work if the way we are still
I want to
working.
go over there.
No,
There's also-
there is no part. So
Okay,
we will
come.
go the next side. So the way we are making videos, so it's really professional camera. So if we will get that types of camera, next time we will make lots of content. So actually we didn't we are not working together. So that's why we didn't know how to grow our page.
Yeah, of course.
So
and
definitely,
in our Bangladesh, lots of
Yeah.
people available. They are just working
yes,
for how to growing their YouTube channels or
yes, yes.
Facebook
But
page.
I think
But we don't know about this for this reason.
as we have this camera, so
Yeah, we have
we
quality,
can
but
do
we
it.
we don't have any knowledge to how to growing.
yeah,
How to
yeah.
growing. And some of people I heard that if you want to viral your video, you need some topic and you have to make a CEO. But I don't know what is the meaning of CEO.
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 Yeah,
Uh,
I see.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter. We will do any course how to acquire more followers.
Okay. When I will earn from my page, and after that I will do course. No problem.
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know when we will actually earn money from Facebook, but I think
No, I'm not thinking yet.
yeah,
Seriously,
I'm
not-
also same.
I'm
I'm
not
just working for actually sharing some knowledge about with my guys who are highly interested to learn English,
Yeah.
and sometimes I try to share with them some structures and the small
Yeah,
sentences
of
that
course,
will
as well
help
as
them.
tongue twister. I'm
Yeah.
really love to say tongue twister.